Good Friday afternoon, everybody, and we continue to track the rain and the wind. Live look from downtown Westfield. You can see the roads are wet there, and we're still dealing with those strong gusty winds. And you can see the flags still blowing around there at Park Square in Westfield. Saw some wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, and we could continue to see that, but I think the winds will come down just a bit as we head through this afternoon. But it's still going to be gusty tonight into tomorrow as well. ESP Live Doppler radar, and you can see we're tracking another round of rain that's kind of moving through, especially now eastern Hampden, Hampshire, and Franklin County. This will move through a little bit of a break before another round of rain and eventually some snow showers moves in as some colder air will start to work on in this afternoon. I want to show you that we have a river flood warning in effect for the West Deerfield River at Deerfield, and also could affect parts of Charlemont too, with some flooding out in that way. So keep that in mind. Don't expect anything significant, but lowland areas along the West Deerfield River could see some minor flooding as we head through this afternoon. It'll start to recede later on tonight, so this is in effect until 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. Also, we have a flood warning for the Green River. Could affect some areas in Coleraine with some minor flooding, so keep that in mind. That should start to recede after around 3 o'clock this afternoon. So we're going to keep an eye on a lot of the area rivers, especially the small ones, the Mill River, and even the Connecticut River we have to watch because we just had so much snow melt and that heavy rain out there last night and this morning. So rain and snow showers as we head into this afternoon. We're going to continue to deal with those gusty winds, and we'll dry out as we head into Christmas weekend. It'll be windy though, and it'll be cold tomorrow. Temperatures only around 20. So wind chill is going to make it feel like it's in the single digits. It's going to feel like it's below zero out there tonight. And then for Christmas Day, the winds will be lighter, partly sunny, and still cold. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s. You can see those wind gusts out of the south, still over 25 miles per hour in the valley. You can see wind gusts at the Westfield at 28, 25 in Northampton. But you can see out in the Berkshires, seeing those winds gusting over 40 miles per hour. Wind gust at Great Barrington at 46, 43 in North Adams. So it will continue to be windy as we head through this afternoon and really right through the day tomorrow. Temperatures out there still pretty mild, but they are starting to drop. You can see 43 right now in Montgomery, 49 in Chicopee. We had temperatures this morning that made it up in the mid and upper 50s. 49 in Hadley, 50 in Shutesbury, 45 in Holly, 46 in Lee. And again, these temperatures will drop down into the 30s and eventually the 20s. So we will drop down below freezing, and that's going to be a concern later on this afternoon because, again, we have this rain that's moving through. Everything is wet. There's the snow off to our west. And that's where the colder air is. So we'll see these rain showers and eventually snow showers as we head into this afternoon. And then we'll dry out. But again, it's going to get a lot colder as we head through this afternoon and tonight. So there we are at 1 o'clock. Another round of showers moving through. There we are at 3 o'clock. You can see there showers and then that transition to some snow showers as that colder air works in. So after 3 o'clock, that's when we're seeing that changeover and things are really going to freeze. So we could see a flash freeze this afternoon. Does not look good for the evening commute where we could see some slippery conditions. So keep that in mind if you're going to be traveling as we head into this evening. 7 o'clock tonight, you can see still a few snow showers around, but you can see things are drying out. Still a few snow showers, mainly out of the Berkshires, but clouds are breaking up. So partly to mostly cloudy tonight, but it's cold and it's windy with temperatures in the single digits, but the wind chill will make it feel like it's below zero. And then as we head into tomorrow, some clouds around in the afternoon, otherwise a mixture of sunshine and clouds. It'll be cold and windy Christmas Eve day with temperatures that will be in the teens and 20s. Christmas Eve looks dry, but again, it will be cold with temperatures once again dropping down into the single digits. And then as we head into Christmas Day, there we are at 7 a.m., clear skies, and we should see a good deal of sunshine during the afternoon on Christmas with temperatures in the 20s. So county cast for the rest of today, we're looking for the rain and snow showers, high temperatures. Already seen that high temperature in the 50s, but again, we'll be dropping down into the 30s as we head into this afternoon, and it will continue to be windy. Same thing, Hampshire County. Rain and snow showers through the afternoon, windy temperatures in the 50s, dropping down into the 30s and then into the 20s. Franklin County, rain and snow showers, windy, temperatures dropping into the 20s and 30s this afternoon after we saw those temperatures in the 50s. 40s right now in the Berkshires, but again, those temperatures dropping with those snow showers and rain showers this afternoon and staying windy. 22 News Storm Team forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy, windy and cold. Overnight lows 6 to 10, but again, the wind chill will make it feel like it's below zero. 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast, and there it is Christmas weekend. Saturday, partly sunny, windy and cold, 20 degrees. Christmas Day, partly sunny, 26. And then as we head into next week, Looks like a dry stretch of weather. Monday and Tuesday, partly to mostly sunny in the lower 30s. Wednesday, partly sunny, 35. A little bit milder for Thursday, sunshine and clouds in the lower 40s. That 7-day forecast, it's always online at wwlp.com. And of course, you can track the rain, the wind, and the cold that's coming in for tonight on your mobile device. Just download the free 22 News app.